You just always have this. Everything is much more.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Okay, guys, everyone does like slice down and then slice up, and just here. And I'm like, fluid, slice, and then the hand turns. So you get these like, and I always get guys to be like slice down, slice up, down. Oh, so I always get them doing it this big at first. So see, when it comes down, it's not like a stick. It doesn't come through like this. It could, but when we're training it, it's like down, you go back, and then it just turns. And you come up, and it just turns. Because you want to think of like this slice. So the whole thing is, where a stick would never drag like that. Then once you guys kind of have that, then it's like, then the body becomes a little tighter, a little smoother. Then you just start working the downs, slice, slice. I always like, in my head, I always think it should be like a 1/1000, 1/1000, 1/1000, 1/1000, 1/1000, versus like a where the stick's only hitting for like the stick's like a snap, but a machete's like a long, like a slice. So you just always have this. Everything is much more. Everything. Way more drawn up. Is they'll do the shield walk and a long roof walk. Because off, like for example, like the roof walk, and again, not like a stick, not so like choppy, but like again, like there's something there, and you're like slicing the whole arm. So it's like the blade from here slices the whole thing through, and then that comes into like nice figure eights, roof, shield, and then back into like nice ones and twos, ups, down, shield, roof, slash, into figure eights, shield, roof,